So what's up guys, it's Technological back here, and I was just randomly scrolling to Discord and I saw this thing out here, Nitro 1 month for free. So I just checked it out and it comes out to be that you can just try out Discord Nitro officially for 1 month for free of course. So it's really simple, you just need to get here, go to the section try Nitro for free. Once it loads up, choose the plan, just go with monthly. You don't need to pay anything until you don't cancel your subscription, and it's free for a month. Simply create a PayPal and link it with your Discord. That's it. Or you can also use fake credit cards, but it's risky because if that card gets caught in some issues, then your Discord account will get suspended. So just get your PayPal linked, agree to your terms and conditions, and just click Get Nitro Monthly. And there you go. Nitro's up, hit sweet, and you are good to go. With this, you can see on your profile, just go to any server, check your profile account, and you'll see that you have your Nitro badge. You are not getting any free server boost with this, you are just getting your Nitro. So with this, you can use emojis from different servers. Like you can just swap server emojis, use animated emojis if there are any in your server, and some more stuff like custom profile icons, animated profiles, and stuff. So that's all for this video. Hurry ahead and get your Discord Nitro now before this offer ends. Thanks for watching.